Now let's take a look at how to edit or delete an existing exam and its questions. From the dashboard, select the course you want. Now you can see all the exams related to the course you selected. Each exam has a delete button on the right side. When you try to delete an exam, a confirmation message will appear. Once you confirm, the exam will be removed from the platform. If you want to edit an exam, simply click on the exam row. This will open the exam preview page, where you can see all exam details along with its questions. To make changes, use the Edit button on the top right corner. Here, you can update the questions and save the changes back to the exam. This example shows editing an essay exam. But the process is the same for MCQ and coding exams as well.